Example number 1, find the area of the cardioid. R squared is equal to A squared multiplied by the quantity 1 minus sine of theta. So dito, sinabi niya na agad na yung graph na i-expect natin is a cardioid. Cardioid from the word cardio. Cardio means heart. So ibig sabihin, ang graph natin nito ay mukhang puso. No? So kung ipag-graph ka ng puso, ay bigyan mo siya ng equation na to. No? Ganyan manligaw yung engineering. Kung makarelate, yung baka mas lalong mapasama. Okay, so we have here the equation of r squared is equal to a squared, 1 minus sine of theta. No? So, for the radius, take lang natin yung square root, diba? So, that would be square root both sides, a na lang to, and this would be square root of 1 minus sine of theta. Okay? So, for this, kunan natin siya nung mga values. So, for the theta, let's start with 30. Let's start with 0. So, let's start with 0. And then we have 30 here. We have 60, 90, 330, and 360. So, for this, ilagay natin sa calculator using our table. Wag mong ilagay yung A kasi nga yung A ay constant naman yan at hindi yan kilala ng calculator, no? Ang ilagay mo lang square root of 1 minus sine of the angle x, no? Ibig sabihin lang nito, lahat ng sagot natin may A sa dulo. No? Lalagyan lang natin ng A, multiplier na A. So, let's start with 0 and tayo ng 360, step natin 30. So, we have here, this is 1 for 30 degrees, no? That's 0.707, square root of 2 over 2 ata ito, no? So, ilagay na lang natin sa decimal para mas madali siyang i-graph. Kasi kung lalagyan ko ito ng square root of 2 over 2, mawindang na naman tayo pag nag-graph tayo. We have 0.707A. Now, lahat to may A. And we have 0.366. So, that is 0.366A. And then, for 90, we have 0, tapos 0.366 ulit. So, 0, tapos 0.366 ito. No? Tapos, 0.707 ulit ito. As you can see, symmetrical kasi siya. Paano tayo nakakakita ng symmetry? Ito yan, no? Kung itong 90 is the line of symmetry, no? Itong yung linya papuntang 90 degrees, ito ay equal doon. Ito ay equal doon. So, kung huhulaan mo siya, ito kung A yan, edi A rin tayo sa 180. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, that's 1A or A na lang. No, A na lang ang isulat ko. Hindi ko na isulat yung 1. And then, dito sa 210, so we have 1.224 o 1.225. 1.225A. Tapos, dito, we have 1.366, tapos 1.141. 1.366, tapos 1.141. And then, we have 1.366 sa 300, tapos 1.225. So, we have here 1.366, tapos 1.225. And then, sa 360, since 0 at saka 360 ay isa lang naman yung location, edi A rin siya dyan. Na kung gusto nyo tingnan, edi yan, 1A. Okay, so, ngayon kung titingnan natin, ang pinakamalaking value natin is 1.414. Yan yung pinakamalaking value natin. So, kung gagawa tayo ng circle sa pag-graph natin, okay. So, etong radius na to kung 1 lang to, at 1.5 kasi yung halos yung pinakamalaki natin, no? So, dagdagan natin ng isa pang circle sa loob to represent the 1. Mukhang circle din ba? Mas madali itong gawin sa AutoCAD eh. Ayan. So, kamukha na rin siguro yan. So, eto, ang radius nito, itong nasa labas, this is 1.5, no? 1.5 yan. Tapos ito yung 1. Okay? So, tingnan natin. We have 30 degrees. Lagay nga muna ako ng ng mga lines. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, this is for 30. This is for 60 degrees. And this is for 90. This is for 120. This is for 150. This is 180. This is 210. This is 240. This is 270. This is for 300. And this is for 330. And of course, this is for 0 and the 360. Okay? So, at 0, siya ay 1. No? So, gamitan natin ang medyo malaki na. At 0, siya ay 1. So, dito siya. Ang laki. Okay. So, dito, siya ay 1. And then, doon kay kay 30, siya ay 0.707. So, halos kalahati ng halos 3/4 kasi 0.7 mga dito banda. 0.7. Kasi kung 0.5 to, mga 0.7. And then, we have sa 60.366. So, kung ito yung kalahati, mga 0.3 mga dito banda. Yan. And then, we have 0 for 90. So, nandito siya. And then, since symmetrical to, ito, tapos dito ay 0.7 siya, tapos dito siya ay 1. Okay. Pagdating natin ng 210, siya ay 1.225. So, lumampas na siya doon sa 1. Dito na siya. Tapos, sa 240, 1.36. So, mga dito na siya banda. Tapos, dito sa may 270, siya ay 1.4, no? Hindi siya nakarating ng labas kasi 0.5 itong pinakalabas natin. Tapos, 1.36 ulit siya. And then, 1.225 ulit siya. Tapos, babalik siya ng 1. Okay. Kung i-graph na natin to, kailangan hindi ako humingi. Sa kabila. Okay. Ayan. So, this is now the graph. Kulay natin ng pula para masaya. Pula rin nga pala sa module. Medyo pabilog yung ilalim nito. As you can see in your module. Kasi yung nasa module ninyo, ginrap yan using the software apps yung ginamit din. Okay. So, as we can see here, we have now the graph of our cardioid. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay kukuha tayo ng differential, no, dito sa area ng ating cardioid, no? So, kukuha lang tayo ng differential, kukuha tayo ng sector. Yan. Ito ay merong angle, no, na differential of theta. No, yan yung representative sample natin para makuha natin yung area ng cardioid natin. Now, kung babalikan natin yung formula, no, we have ito yung area na to, yan yung differential area natin. Okay? So, from our formula, yung area natin is equal to 1/2, no? Integral. Kung titingnan natin, since this is symmetrical, no? Yung mukha ng kanan ay kamukha lang ng kaliwa. No? So, therefore, ang gagawin natin ay ita-times 2 natin ito. No? Ita-times 2 natin siya. So, we have to multiply by 2 later na lang. Papalitan ko ng kulay pula. Yan. Ita-times 2 natin ito kasi nga, ang kukumpitin natin, simula lang dito, no? Sa part na to, itong 270, kasi kung nanggaling ka ng 0, negative yung angle mo dyan. So, yung angle nitong 270 is negative pi over 2. Negative pi over 2. Itong 90 degrees naman is pi over 2. Okay? So, we have 1/2, no? The differential of our area, that is the r squared, no? R squared d theta. No? Kasi our differential of area is equal to 1/2 r squared of d theta. No? So, ito yung kailangan natin in differential ng area natin. Now, for our angle, no, since we will start with alpha to beta, yun nga yung sabi ko kanina, yung alpha natin is this negative pi over 2. Ang beta natin ay ito. Kasi ang kinukompute natin, kalahati lang ng cardioid. Tapos, ita-times 2 lang natin siya. No? So, we have here 2 tapos 1/2. Later na lang, ipasok na lang natin siya mamaya. Ang gagawin muna natin, computein muna natin yung differential of area. Since this is 1/2 r squared of the theta. Okay? So, the differential of area is equal to 1/2. Ano nga yung r natin? So, since r squared ito, tinan nyo yung equation natin. Yung equation natin, as you can see, naka-express ito into r squared. No? Kulayan ko na lang. Naka-express ito into r squared. So, ibig sabihin, r squared is equal to this. No? So, yung kukupehin lang natin. So, we have here r squared. This is a squared. This is a squared multiplied by 1 minus sine of theta. No? And we have here the theta. No? So, we would have, i-substitute na natin siya dito sa integral natin. So, that's 2 at saka yung 1/2. Actually, yung 1/2 na to ay ito na siya, kasama na siya dito sa dito sa may equation natin, no? And that would be cancel na to, cancel na siya. So, magkakaroon ka ng wala na to. Hindi integral ka na dito. Angle natin, negative pi over 2 up to pi over 2. Tapos, r squared. No? Yung r squared natin, so kahit nga wala tayo nitong ginawa natin, okay lang naman. Substitute lang naman natin yung r squared. R squared natin is equal to this. No? So, that is a squared 1 minus sine of theta. And then, we have here the d theta. Okay? So, integrate natin ito. We have our area is equal to. So, since this is constant, you can factor that out. No? Tapos, we have here integral of negative pi, a squared to, over 2 up to pi over 2. No? This is 1 minus sine of theta d theta. So, integrate natin. We have a squared. The integral of 1 is theta. And then, the integral of sine is negative cosine. So, since this is minus, so that would be plus cosine theta. So, our limit here is negative pi over 2 up to positive pi over 2. So, evaluate natin to. Our area is equal to a squared. Upper limit, so that's pi over 2 plus cosine pi over 2. No? This is for the upper. Minus sa lower limit, that's negative pi over 2 plus cosine of pi over 2. Okay? So, with this, we have area is equal to a squared. No? So, kung gagamitan natin ng calculator, naka-radian mode kasi ito, lagay natin siya sa radian. That is 4. So, we have here cosine of pi over 2. That is 0. So, meaning, this cosine of pi over 2 here is equal to 0. So, this is equal, this is negative rather, no? Negative, ito yung pi over 2 na to. So, try natin yung negative na pi over 2. Negative. That is 0 also. So, ito ay 0 din. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ito, that's pi over 2. Tapos ito, negative times negative, that's plus pi over 2. So, you would have your area is equal to a squared. Pi over 2 plus pi over 2 is pi. Kasi 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. And this is now your area in square units. No? So, this is our answer for the area of our cardioid given by the equation, no? A squared times 1, quantity 1 minus sine of a.